How to update personal information in your Discover Bank account on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need to update your details, well here is how to change personal information in Discover Bank on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once you're inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in, on your main dashboard, you just have to click on your profile account settings in the top right menu and then select personal information to view your current contact details. And there you can update your fields like your address, phone number, or email. And once you're done with it, you can simply click Save Changes. And for security, you may be asked to verify the update with a code sent to your phone or email. And there, once verified, the new information will be saved and reflected instantly in your account. And that's it. That's how you can update your personal info in your Discover Bank account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.